I could do other shit, you know. Punk rock. I'm good at that, Ma.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I like to do the punk rock, Ma.
You probably would be.
Oh, yeah.
If you were born at a different time, I bet you'd be into the punk rock.
No, I can't stand too much noise. I got the reverse Asperger's, Ma. Oh, yeah. No. Too much. Now, I wasn't really that angry of a young man. Not unless I was unemployed. Oh, I got really angry.
Yeah.
Oh. That's why the economy and keeping business and everything going strong is crucial.
Yeah.
Because it's the biggest thing you can do for mental health.
Yeah.
Except once you give everybody $5,000 for sure, then they start shooting themselves because they got no sense of purpose. Well, that's a problem too. So before you give them that much money, you get that problem worked out first.
Yeah, and I think
right, Ma?
Yeah, and I think that people use people's fear of the that economy going down to control them. Like, oh, we can't do that because that would ruin the economy.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta keep going the same.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the economy.
Well, I know how to make a revolution, Ma. I just somehow figure out how to give everybody's food bill up to 40%. Because they know that.
Yeah.
When the food gets to 40-50%
of your paycheck,
people will charge the castle of the money coming in. I don't care what you call it. Money coming in, money going out. Okay, we got a Don Williams tune for you here this evening. Oh, it's a lovely day in the neighborhood, a lovely day for a neighbor. Would you be mine?
We don't have it.
Would you be mine? I got something to say about the Donald after this song.
Okay.
And it's not for or against. It's just I just like to watch it from a psychology point of view, that's all. Psychology, sociology, anthropology, and all that stuff.
Biology?
That I love so dearly because I am the Reverend Dr. Joe. So you ready to go, Ma? Don't believe in superstars, profit food. No, okay, you don't. Are you taking that off? Is that in the wrong thing?
Just by one.
Oh. That's supposed to be G sharp?
Yeah.
All right, sorry. All right, we'll get it. We'll get it this time. I think I didn't mind stopping because I think I had the rhythm wrong, okay? So you just control yourself. I don't believe in superstars, processed foods, polluting cars. Don't believe the price of gold, certainty of growing old. Right is right and left is wrong, north and south can't get along. East is east and west is west, and being first is always best. But I believe in love. I believe in babies, and I believe in mom and dad, and I believe in
you. I believe in mom and dad, and I believe in
you. Don't believe that heaven waits for only those who congregate. I like to think of God as love, down below and up above, watching people everywhere. Knows who does and doesn't care. Hey, I'm an ordinary man. Sometimes I wonder who I am, but I believe in love. I believe in old folks, and I believe in children. I believe oh, with all my certainty, what's going on with you and me is a good thing. Oh, it's true. I believe in
you. It's true. I believe in
you. I don't believe virginity is as common as it used to be. Working days and sleeping nights, black is black and white is white. That Superman is Robin Hood, still alive in Hollywood. That gasoline's in short supply, the rising costs of getting by. But I believe in love. I believe in music, and I believe in magic, and I believe in you. with all my certainty. What's going on with you and me is a good thing. Oh, it's true. I believe in you. And I believe in love. And I believe in babies. And I believe in Mom and Dad. And I believe in you. Hey, I believe in Mom and Dad. And I believe in you. Has kind of a religious, kind of a gospel feel to it. That song, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sort of.
Pontoon? Can we do pontoon?
Oh, just wanted to say one thing, and then we'll just flat tune.
Oh, okay. Say it. Say it now. Say it right now.
I think that all the people that are raging and getting down on the old Prez now, I think they're all going to have to give him a big hug and kiss.
Why?
Because I think he's probably the biggest therapeutic punching pillow that's ever been known to mankind.
Yeah.
So, shout out to the Donald
Yeah.
for being the punching pillow for what I'm sure is far beyond Donald. It's got something to do with the people. You know.
Yeah. People are getting out
Yeah,
of
I'm not saying anything political. I'm talking about psychology.
Yeah.
So don't get down on me, because I'm telling you the truth. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to be playing like this in an E?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold on. Do you like that sound?
No.
Oh.
We gotta.
Why do we have it there? You know, that's the problem. No, that's not the problem. So let's leave it there. Oh, shut up. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Back to hit the pin of the water. Tie up all the cables and rope. Step above the astroturf and grab yourself a cruiser. Let's go. On pontoon, making wind, catching rays up on the roof. Jump back and act like we don't want to. Party in some motion, eye in the open, motorboat in. Stick in the cooler, drink it as the mountains on blue. Try to keep it steady while you recline on your black inner tube. On pontoon, making wind, catching rays upon the roof. Jump back and act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion, I ain't open, I'm motorboat in. Come out now, loom, stop paneling with what's like a beat, the heat that's catch a ride. On pontoon, making wind, catching rays upon the roof. Jumping back and act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion, out in the open, motorboat in. Who said anything about skiing? Floating is all I want to do. Try to keep it steady while you recline on your black inner tube. On pontoon, making wind, catching rays upon the roof. Jump back and act like you don't want to. Party in some motion, out in the open, motorboat in. Back to hit your pin to the water. Tie up all the cables and rope. Step above the astroturf and grab yourself a koozie. Let's go. Up to my room, making wind, catching rays upon the roof. Jump back and act like you don't want to. Party in some motion, out in the open, motorboat in. starting to drug me. You're looking so
Ah.
drugged. Are you drugged?
No, I drank coffee.
Oh. Does that make you sleepy?
I was just already sleepy.
Huh? Okay, then we should be good at this one right here. Now watch out. How come we're doing these in F sharp?
I don't know. Let's skip that one.
No, just get quick. Take those old records off the shelf. Sit and listen to 'em by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul like the old time rock and roll. Call me really, call me what you will. Say I'm on fast and take 'em over the hill. Today's music ain't got the same soul like the old time rock and roll. Give me the old time rock and roll. Kind of music just soothes my soul. I reminisce about the days of old. Give me the old time rock and roll.
I reminisce about the days of old. Give me that old time rock and roll.
Oh, don't take me to no disco. Just play me some blues or funky old soul. There's only one way to get me going. It's the old time rock and roll. Call me really, call me what you will. Say I'm fast, say I'm over the hill. But today's music ain't got the same soul like the old time rock and roll. Yeah, old time rock and roll. Time music just soothes my soul. Reminisce about the days of old. Give me the old time rock and roll. I reminisce about the days of old. Give me the old time rock and roll. Yeah! Yeah.
Sunny
Night
thought we were done.
moves. On the night moves.
Sunny thought we were done.
Oh, that's maybe because he saw me get so excited.